I'm the proud Dean of the Faculty of Health Sciences. Here we mold people into caring health practitioners. We support each other so that we ensure that your experience here with us is a fruitful one.
As qualified midwives, the major role is within the clinical area, meeting women, assisting them with having their children, their babies, together with their partners. So they are a very important link towards society. The role of the midwife, usually she works in hospital, but she can work within the community sector, besides the care that they give to pregnant women.
The course is intended for those students who are passionate about lab work. As a course content, it is extremely varied, but it is solely and focused on human genetics and human disease. It is also an extremely rewarding course, which offers many opportunities of work in different places of work, ranging from hospital labs to industry, but also there is the option of continuing to work in a research setting.
Our students have possibilities and opportunities to work in settings which relate to children, especially people who have developmental difficulties, for example. But we also work with people who have acquired difficulties, and these happen in previously healthy individuals as a result of other difficulties like medical and neurological conditions such as stroke, brain injury, and progressive diseases such as ALS, for example, and dementia as well.
Food is one of the major contributors to overall health and well-being. There is a wide window of opportunities, all relating to areas within food. Graduates of our B.Sc program can move on to areas relating to the food industry, for example, and also move on to possible careers through further training in either human nutrition or dietetics.
This course provides accreditation to become a registered psychiatric nurse. It also deals with, for example, ethical issues. We know that many health professionals are working in very challenging environments. We are a department who is targeting a very contemporary issue. We know about the importance of mental health. We know about the importance of also self-care. So whilst our programs will obviously target mental health issues in others, we can't ignore our own mental health and our own self-care.
Nurses are found everywhere, in any context, in any country, in any circumstance. Therefore, we operate within that mindset. We have a wide network of international partners. We also are starting to offer programs in specialized areas of care, such as intensive care, emergency care, oncology.
If you go to the hospital, you will find that the hospital is full of medical equipment, and all this equipment is based on the physics you learn at school. It's a new topic for Malta. This is why we need many more medical physicists. There are still a lot of things that need to be done, and we need to have more people to be able to help us.
Our department, what is exciting about it is that we attract a multi-interdisciplinary cohort of professionals. And this is indeed very rich in terms of coming with their stories, but also learning, sharing, and exchanging ideas with other disciplines. It's a small department in a small country, but also having the possibility of being among the greats in the world.
Students who follow this course will study many subjects spanning the physical and psychosocial field underpinned by an occupational science perspective. They will also have their practice placements in public hospitals as well as schools, pediatric clinics and mental health facilities. As an occupational therapist, you will empower people with a temporary or permanent problem to perform the activities that they want to do at the highest level. As you can see, occupational therapy offers variety, purpose and immense job satisfaction.
Our Department of Physiotherapy, successful graduates from our program meet the requirements for licensure and registration to practice in Malta, and this offers them the opportunity to work in the public health service as well as the private sector. And we also offer the opportunity to our students to participate on an Erasmus program, whereby they have the chance for a 2-month internship in another university overseas.
The aim of the department is to offer students the best opportunity, both in teaching and also in clinical experience. The department also enjoys collaborations with various podiatry schools across Europe in order to enhance the experience both in the podiatry profession and especially in podiatry specialities like podiatric surgery, podopediatrics and sports medicine.
We operate very much on a system whereby we apply what the students are taught in theory into practice. We do not train only for the local market, but we train for Europe and the rest of the world. Our graduates can also select from a range of careers that they would like to follow, varying from clinical, administrative, technological, as well as educational.
Our vision is to provide excellence in research and education. We look forward to meeting you.